Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One 5G, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, this process will allow you to get rid of screen locks, so if you have one set that you just don't know, this will just completely remove it. Now, downside of this is that if you are also logged into a Google account and you do this, the device will become FRP locked. And what that means is once the reset is finished and you're going through the setup process, you will need to verify one of the two things. Either the previously set up screen lock, which is something you don't know, that only leaves you with one option, which is Google account. So you'll need to log in with the same Google account that was previously signed in on this device. Now, if you don't know either of those, I'll be also making a video on how you can just completely bypass this and then completely remove it as well. So if you're interested in this, stay tuned. That will be basically a next video I'll be recording. So anyway, to get started, I'm going to lock the device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set. I am also logged into a Google account, like I mentioned, so the device will become locked for me. And I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know my pattern. So let's hold power key, select power off. Once the phone turns off, hold power and volume down at the same time. This will take us to boot mode, and in here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode, which will show up right here. There we go, confirm it with power key. Next thing we'll see is Android with no command. So once you do, you want to hold power key, and while holding it, you'll press the volume up once. So power, press volume up, and there we go. And this takes us to recovery mode. And here again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down and select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power, select factory data reset, confirm it. At the bottom you'll see formatting data or wiping data, and then data wipe complete should be the next thing we will see any moment now. There we go. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again, and this will now reboot the device and continue the process of resetting in the background. Because of it, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, but once it does, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.